accident. Action News at 5 starts right now.
Live coverage you can count on. This is CBS 47 Action News at 5.
New at 5, the battle over bullying. A landmark case will decide who has the final say when it comes to protecting your kids against bullies, a judge or educators.
An appeals court is deciding right now. Action News' Leslie Corsi is live on the action cam from Ocean Way Middle School, where this all began. Leslie?
That's right. They were both students here at Ocean Way Middle School when they left campus, and one girl jumped another. A judge banned her attacker from all Duval County schools, and now an appellate court is deciding whether or not that ban will stick. This is the fight that put 14-year-old Aria Jewett in the hospital and her mother in fear of her safety.
School was supposed to be safe.
Jewett's attacker was slapped with criminal charges, and in an unprecedented move, a judge banned her from all Duval County public schools. That ban was later overturned, but her attorney is still fighting to keep her in the classroom.
Children who have committed murder go to school in a public school system within the jail. So the idea that someone who's out of jail can't go to school is really contrary to our basic principles.
The case is now in the hands of the appellate court. These 3 judges will clear up a couple of issues with state law. First is how many acts of violence it should take before a parent can get an injunction against a threatening child. Jewett's attorney says 1 should be enough.
We don't need to subject children to 3 and 4 and 5 acts before they get an injunction so that they feel that they're victims and they kill themselves.
The second issue is whether a judge should have the authority to expel a student.
We don't need to have judges running the school system. We need people like Dr. Vitti running the school system.
Jewett is staying out of state with her dad. Her mom says she's anxious to come back home to Jacksonville, go back to school, and feel normal again.
I guess it's just going to take time.
Now, it could take several weeks before we know the appellate court's decision, and that decision could affect future fights on and off school grounds. More on that, all new at 6. For now, reporting live in Ocean Way, Leslie Corsi, CBS 47 Action News.
Both the victim and the attacker have moved out of state, but we're told they would like to move back, and it's possible they could wind up at the same high school. Well, the